Hello, folks. So this is me trying to debug a issue with my what do you say brew. So I just fixed some of the stuff I think. Um, Let me see if I actually pasted it. Yes, I pasted it. I have two things that will make it. 477, 347 till 419, and then same thing coming out later. So looks like I was getting an error that was basically it said I was trying to uninstall Golang, the compiler and the tooling. So I said brew remove go and it gave me a lot of errors and all. And then I realized something over here, ignore dependencies, something about dependencies. Go actually has some dependencies uh, on not on other things, more like there are some things that require Go. For example, I think it is required by Glide. There is some Steamroll stuff that we actually had. Terraform provided Lambda, and we need to get rid of these, and then we'll be able to remove Go. Or we can override it and say Brew uninstall, ignore dependencies. So one. I actually had Glide. So Glide is actually one of the like, module management or dependency management. So I had that installed. So if you see Guru Info Glide, I had Glide installed and it was installed in 2019. Now people don't use Glide, they use modules, Go modules. So I can just say, so I was planning on actually installing Go by using this G. Let's see if it works out. So they say remove the Go root with Go bin variables. So I've removed that from the Bash RC also root. Yeah, yes. My thing uses Bash profile only because this is Mac and I use Bash as my machine. It's this is there, but in a new thing it should not be there. And Go env Go root is also is set though, but Go root is not set, and my shell is Bash. Right, by default, this is it's ZSH in Mappers, but I'm using Bash. So I can put this here and I can come out of this and put this here. Finally, put this in the bash RC that check if the alias exists before trying to unalias it. Alright, so we are going to actually, we're not going to unalias it because I use G for Git. So I'll see if I can actually use, install G, install asset to configure your current shell, run this. Okay, source this. I wonder what is that. Let's see. There's basically source this. Okay, to configure current shell, this shell. Okay. They didn't mean bash or my configure my bash profile. Like I thought this kind of meant bash profile. I forgot that this is just about the current shell. They're talking about go root, go. What is the go version? Go to cannot find go root directory. Okay, so we have to actually put this alias. So I'm not gonna put alias G though. I think G is for Git as of now for me. So what I'm gonna do is cannot find go to directory this because this is actually a different Go. This is actually coming from the um, brew Go. I haven't like uninstalled it, but if I actually do G and say bin and say G, this should basically show me no versions installed. I'm wondering if this is the Golang version manager I used. Remote, there are a lot of versions. I'm sure we have a lot of versions. So I'm just wondering if this is the Golang version manager that I looked for. There are some more probably, but I've started this and just wondering if this is the one. I know this is not. This is GVM already comes as GVM, and this didn't look that great. Uh, it says install source and some stuff. I don't know. I mean, mostly straightforward. But I remember getting a different one. Let me just put this in Google. Google Golang version manager, GVM, GVM. It's probably this only. Did they change it though? I'm wondering if they changed it or what happened. Um, Maybe let me see. I don't have any versions installed. Let me just say install, and you can just say I think latest and it will install the latest I think, or will it say error? I think it will say error. Oh, it is installing the latest. So only install without using. Okay. So it's installing the latest version, and it's saying now using Go version. So it's still 124. So basically, I have to point to this. I think. Um, Interesting that it points. Let me see my path and check if my path has, if it has Go, user Go local bin of here. Hmm. I think this Go is somewhere else, and I think I need to do something extra. One moment. Uh, so source this dot env. So I need to actually put the values over here, right? Like cat, this value, these values, I actually have to put it in my, it says home and then the path, right? So go root, so I need to put this in already bash file. This is already in. Where so the app Java, which is actually a like Java version manager. So think I don't have for GVM. Cool. So I do have to put this inside one moment. What do I have pasted? Where do I have this pasted? Cool. Okay. Hang on. So do I have this already? Okay. I'll just put this up and I think I'll have to put this inside somewhere. Like I need to probably say something like um, source or basically this um, kind of this dot and home and this, right? So I wonder what cargo.env has. I think it's for the Rust. So it says path, it puts cargo binary first and then puts the path. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else coming up. So let me see if I can actually say this Go version. Yeah, this is 1.24.3, and I can actually uninstall, but I'll just say G. Okay, I can't just use G, but can I use G slash bin G? And I think if I use ls now, I'll have 24.3, right? I remember if you put GVM, it used to just ask. it used to actually show you like these are the versions available. Golang version manager. I think these are just bad. I'm just going to go ahead and search. Maybe they've changed how things work. Oh, if you have FZF installed, I think this will work differently. I have FZF installed, I think. Yeah, I have FZF installed. Interesting. Not FZF, but anyways. I don't think it's using FZF. Oh, this one. This is the one that I think I wanted. Yeah. So I'll probably write about this. It's a very simple one and inspired by the Node.js version manager. There are 937 people that like it, and there are some 2.2K people like this one. I don't know why. But this is one I like. I can actually install this also. Anyways, this actually shows a lot of information also. I'll probably uninstall this. Clean uninstall a version, self modify G itself, show a list of commands. Um, oops. Self uninstall. Yes. So it removed the G, and I can also remove this. It removed the binary G and it removed the directory G also. Go okay, cool. Um, so this I can remove, and I can put this here, and I can actually install this one, which is this. So install if you use wget, I will just use curl. Oh hey, oops, about it. Yes, it's doing go bin G. I'll just actually put G as GVM. Reset your shell before using GLO. Do you want to install the latest version? Yes. So this is awesome. And I'll also uninstall from uninstall go. Alright. So that it's removed from here also. Okay. Ignore dependencies. Go version. Yep, perfect. And if I do this G, oh, so G uses is using up this. If I use go bin G, I think go root and inner rules are required. Okay. So I have not put go path, is it? Shell support. Um, put inside this inside the go path then. Get execution rights and configure it. Then we prompted to install the latest version of it instead. Current session for it to read these new environment variables in order to use it. Okay. So yeah, I need to use a new shell or I need to actually just has been successfully installed. Uh, it appears you have a Go installation already set. You can still use alongside the Go management. Take precedence over your current installation, and I think I already uninstalled now, so it's fine. So using a non-default Go route, which is this, and this usually presents no problem. But be sure it is intended. And oh hey, I think I'll just go ahead and copy this and put here. I actually have a lot over here. So I think I was I think I was trying to put it all here, but I put it in base. It should have been here, and this over here, and I put the G script and all. Echo go root. Oh, so this is back. Go root is back. Shit, no, I don't want this. Um, Go version 124, which go bin and go. Okay. Go env go root. Where is this coming from? Bash profile. Go root. I'll just take it as and give execution. Setting the adding go bar default job. This will be prompted. Okay. Okay. So I'm wondering if this is supposed to be the root, like the place, right? Maybe I'll uninstall this G and go bin G. Okay. G go yep. Package listeners okay. Bin go version. Okay. Oh, go version but no ls, sorry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and do bin G and say help and uncivil architecture, remove, prune, self upgrade. How do you uninstall it? Uninstall. So if you set up G and install it, so just get the thing. You'll notice G file will inside your go path bin. And if you only want to remove G and keep your current user, simply delete G. So we can just delete, if you're using bash and all that, we can just delete this. So we'll do that. There's no, this is an alias, I forgot that. So we'll just say this, go bin G, it's fine. And if you want to remove everything, be sure to back up your project, okay? So go path I'm not going to remove, but I'll remove the go root because go root is actually not, I don't want this go root. So I'll just say rm and just remove that. It's a lot, okay. And we go here and we come out of this, out of this, out of this. And here we check what is the go root. Okay, we still have to remove the go root from this. And go path is going to be go only. And I think for go root they'll just use dot go or something. We'll see. So remove this. Echo go root nothing. Now I'll install G. So yes, yes. So this put go root as dot go, right? This is what I wanted. Interesting how it just takes up whatever go root is already there if it is there. And go version and you have that. And if you just say G, now I'm gonna replace G with GVM I think because I'm gonna actually link and say this go bin link is source file and then target file. Okay. Go bin g. Target file is basically go bin gvm. So it's kind of like an alias. Minus s. So remove this first. There's a yeah. Now if I say gvm, I think yeah, it works. So I can just say gvm and it should just work, and I can install anything. I think here I was trying to do leak code problems. I think they're using this version only. I have to go check confirm. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Trying to solve this Golang version manager thing. I'll see you next one.